Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix microphone and camera not working on your Zoom app. So let's start. First open the Zoom app. And I'll just quickly start a meeting. When the meeting is started, at the bottom of the screen you will see that your microphone is muted and your camera is turned off. If you tap on your microphone, it will show a message like this. And you have to allow the permission. Same goes for camera. All you have to do is, if you see this message, you have to allow the permission. If you tap on camera, it will ask for permission. Now let me tell you what you have to do if you don't see this message. At first, you have to end the meeting if you are a host. If not, then leave the meeting. Then close the Zoom app. Now open settings on your device. Go to apps. Now scroll down to the bottom. Tap on the Zoom app. Scroll down and go to permissions. Your microphone and camera is under the denied section. Now tap on microphone and select allow. Then tap on camera and select allow. And your problem should be fixed. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.